In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We're going to set up a clean, professional under construction experience on your Wix site using Google to find Wix and the AI tools inside the Wix dashboard. This approach is fast, beginner-friendly, and helps you communicate clearly with visitors while you finish building your site behind the scenes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. From the results, choose the official Wix website. If your browser shows multiple results or ads, make sure you're selecting the genuine Wix link so you land on the correct platform. Once you're on Wix, go to your site dashboard. If you're asked to sign in, do that as you normally would and then open the site you plan to update. Inside the dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools designed to help you manage and refine your website. We're focusing on the AI features that can generate copy and structure for a simple holding page. Look for the AI option in your dashboard. Depending on your account, this may be labeled as an AI assistant or a similar tool that accepts prompts. Click to open it, and you'll see a field where you can type instructions. In that prompt box, type, "Make my website under construction." Keep it short and direct. If you want more tailored results, you can add context in the same line, such as your brand name or the tone you prefer, like friendly, professional, or bold. Then submit the prompt. The AI will generate a draft that typically includes a clear headline announcing the site is under construction, a concise message explaining that updates are in progress, and optional elements such as a contact link, a newsletter sign-up, or a countdown. Review what it creates and make small edits so it sounds like your brand. Keep the message straightforward. What's happening, when visitors can expect updates, and how they can reach you in the meantime, if appropriate. Before you finish, give everything a quick quality check. Read the text aloud for clarity, adjust any typos, and make sure the design is easy to read with good color contrast. If you see multiple AI variations, choose the one that best fits your style and audience. When you're satisfied, save your changes. That's it. You used Google to find Wix, opened your Wix dashboard, and leveraged the AI prompt "Make my website under construction" to quickly create a polished placeholder. Keep this page active while you build, and when your full site is ready, simply replace the message with your live content.